Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have some little golden books that I purchased brand new, paid full price for them. And I bought them with the intentions of actually going to make a little good golden book journal out of them. And now that I got them in my possession, I have decided not to do that. But I'm here to share them with you because they are so adorably cute, and I highly recommend them to buy for your children. The first one is Betty White. It's a typical little golden book. But it's like a little mini biography about Betty White. So cute. Like when she was born, where she grew up, what she wanted to be as a little kid, that she served her country, and how she got into acting, who she married, how she loved animals, how she went against the protocol basically of the era by allowing a black dancer. Arthur Ducan was in the cast. They wanted Betty to fire him and she wouldn't do it. How she met her husband. He's from Wisconsin. Alan Ludden. And Golden Girls. Saturday Night Live. How she loved animals. How her best friend was a dog. And then it ends. And this must have been, this was done before she passed away, because that's not in here. I might put the Betty passed away on on the bottom of this. But it is such a cute little book that I'm not going to make a journal out of it. I'm going to keep it. So I got the Betty White one. And then I got Dolly Parton. So cute. Another good little mini, they're like little mini biographies for kids about people. I mean, they have Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Martin Luther King, Jackie Robertson, the Statue of Liberty, Kamala Harris, Frigidaire Kuhol. I know they have Barack Obama too, and President Biden. Had a few other little ones that I thought it was neat because I've never seen a golden book like this, so this is kind of cool. And it talks about her being young, always singing, her coat of many colors, performing. She was on TV before her family even owned a TV. Grand Ole Opry appearance. Graduating and going to Tennessee. Meeting her husband. Celebrating 50 years of marriage. And 9 to 5 movie, and then Dollywood, and reading her little imaginary library that each kid each month gets a book up to I think age 4 or 5 if I remember correctly, and being a reading lady that kids recognize her for not being a country singer or Dollywood. They recognize her as the lady who reads books. And then the last one is about how she loves butterflies and helping others, and everyone loves Dolly. So I bought those two, and like I said, I bought them with the intentions of making little journals, but I have decided to keep them like they are. So check into these. These are really cute little mini biographies. I think share them with your children, grandchildren. I think they're really cute. I found them on Amazon. I think I paid $4 each. I would have to look, and Diamond ordered them for me because she has the Amazon account. So, but I knew they were only like $4 and some change, if not. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I thought they were so adorable. They should do a John Wayne one. Maybe I'll write little golden book and say, can you do the John Wayne one? Because I'd love to see a little John Wayne one. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, you know the drill if you've been here before. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, and have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.